Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Sophie, and I'm back in your screens guys with another banger. As someone who carries the mini twist flag really high, I've heard a couple of misconceptions, and one really revolting one is the fact that girlies with mini twists have smelly hair. If this is true, I do not know who told the girlies that you cannot wash your hair and take care of your scalp while you have your mini twist on, even with extensions. Even though I find this really hard to believe, I'm still compared to show the girlies my hair care routine, everything I do to have a decently clean scalp, good smelling extensions, and make sure that when you come close to me, not only am I smelling really good on my body, but my hair also smells amazing. This is a really short routine and it takes me about 20 minutes when I'm being lazy. Without further ado guys, if you know that you would like to see what I do to keep my hair looking and smelling nice 100% of the time, then you're in the right place. Keep watching this video. Today's video is sponsored by QVR Hair, and this is their M430 Afro Kinky Bulk Human Hair. It was so easy working with this brand because not only do you get good quality extensions that once your hair is done, the girlies stop and stare, but also you get extensions that are very easy to maintain, so soft, and barely cause any hair damage. Did I say barely? Because I haven't experienced any hair damage whatsoever during the time that I've worked with this brand. Get your desired extensions from QVR Hair, and if it's not everything I've said it is, your hairstylist will refund you, because that is the only reason why your hair wouldn't turn out nice.
The first step in keeping my scalp clean usually involves either washing with a shampoo or making use of an absorbent cotton wool with a 60-40 mixture of water and methylated spirit. The key is to swipe with the soaked cotton wool in one direction only. This anti-itch scalp spray is literally my holy grail and very important as my second step, considering how itchy my scalp can get. My scalp is usually very itchy, whether dirty or freshly washed. It is usually worse after wash day, and so I didn't make excuses as to why not to wash my hair. I just found a solution for my itchy scalp. Next up, I use organic oil mixtures, not just to lubricate my scalp, but also to replenish the good bacteria that must have been destroyed from my use of methylated spirit. If you want a proper explanation on this, I'll be happy to make a separate video. I apply this curl cream very minimally to the ends of my hair. I do not make use of it up to the point where my natural hair extends to. I feel like it gives my mini twist a softer and more natural finish. Oil sheen, especially after a wash, works like magic to bring back the shine in your extension. I keep a reasonable distance between the spray bottle and my hair while applying, and then use my hands to massage it in. This is literally all you need to do to keep your hair looking nice and avoid checkmating the smelly hair stereotype. I promise that this tutorial was short and I did not lie. After doing all this, you can go on to styling your hair however you deem fit, and because I love my girlies, I have put together a little hairstyling tutorial just at the end of this video that will keep you looking elegant and sweet all together. If you would like to see that, then just wait to the end of this video right after commenting and talking about how beautiful I look with this hairstyle. Shout out to QVR Hair once again for making me look this good. I can't stop looking at myself in the mirror.
some of the points I've dropped here helps you with your hair maintenance and that rumor stops flying. Like I said earlier in this video, these extensions are from QVR Hair. If you'd like to place your order, please click the link in my description box. You deserve good things too. Anyways, if you liked this video, don't forget to give me a very big thumbs up. Share this video to all the girlies in your life. Make sure that they are keeping their hair clean, because you can use this on your braids, your locks, whatsoever. It's very effective. Don't forget to leave a comment. Tell me your tips as well, stuff that you do to keep your hair clean that I can try. Also, tell me things that I did that you would not recommend. Oh, and of course, subscribe to my channel because the numbers matter to me as well. Thank you once again for watching. I love you guys so much. Mwah.